uświadomiły mi, że nie mam serca. Czego się po mnie spodziewasz, jak jestem jeszcze dzieciak? Wybacz mi mała, uwierz, ja uczę się na błędach.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Tuesday and we are going to Nisantasi. I hope I'm not murdering the name. I'm going to meet a friend, Tolani, our Istanbul model. I'm also going with my friend. Hey. Okay. Hey guys, so we are at Nisantasi, but we are inside Zara window shopping. We're waiting for Tolani to come. This is silk with button detail, so nice. Hey guys, meet Tolani.
Hello,
Our model, international model.
nice to meet you guys. And well, let me properly introduce myself as always, you know
Okay.
me. Welcome to our channel.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, and those of you who don't have a gender, we don't care. My name is Tolani Enwereji and it is so nice to meet you.
Oh, we're just walking around and just to see.
And the street of Nisantasi.
Yeah.
Today everything is open in Turkey, so I'm extremely excited.
Yeah, I'm have many on the way. Why? They just open. You people should still.
You why not still? Why not at all?
You people should still calm down now.
You not at all.
At least I was expecting it to just be me, you, and her on the streets.
Try. Look at the way you're eating like.
Tolani, so how are you? Me, I want to join model.
I'm fine. Actually, you have such a good body.
See, coming from a motel.
Oh, that Nigerian one is embarrassing because they are embarrassing models.
Stop watching.
Like, because I'm also into the.
I try to change my kind of content this thing because all these kind of videos are, you know, that I can watch, even if it's just vlog in the house. But sit down video, if I'm watching someone sit down video, I used to skip it because it is only when it's a topic that I'm interested in.
Like, that is why sit down video, it's always nice for information. For example, cost of living in Turkey. You can sit down and like talk about everything about cost of living in Turkey. Because people are interested in this. They want to know every details. How much is the rent? How much is the transportation? Blah, blah, blah.
Exactly.
So that is why I do that cost of living in the house. Editing is also important, you know, because if you are, you already know how to do it.
I actually edit well.
Yeah.
My editing is actually
I'm
good.
trying now to learn more about cutting because like it's kind of
editing this thing is just, see, if you want to get a great editing this thing, I think you should just, you see that small cut.
Yeah.
That small cut and is like a very nice transition.
Yeah.
In my video, I try not to, as much as possible, to when I'm talking, I try not to do like think of what next I want to do in that space of I
you
cut
remember
it away.
when I first started, I messaged you regarding that. I'm like, oh no, I asked on my story that, well, because someone told me, I don't know what happened. I just asked someone like, how is mine? They're like, Please just go straight to the point.
Exactly.
I think you were good.
Yeah.
But that was actually very nice because that helped me a lot. Unlike, I really, because after that comment, I tried as much as possible to put a script down, or like just in my brain, I have 4 particular subjects I'm gonna eat in this video, and within this particular minute, I have to eat it. And then I just try as much as possible to work towards these topics.
Hey guys, so we have enjoyed the whole thing.
It was such a blissful day. Like, I am so satisfied, and it is really nice to meet you. I hope we do this often. And also with our gorgeous girl here.
Must show your face.
Yes, I must show my pretty face.
So now we want to use the metro to go back home. We did reach woman and we took what's it called? Cab coming here, but now we are taking the metro. Our skin popping, like this our brown skin is a gift from God. It's a gift from God. 9 minutes walk to the metro. So to God be the glory. It was actually very fun, like talking, gisting.
Yeah, right.
It was fun.
It was amazing.
Yeah, very amazing. Yeah, so let me just show you guys around. It's rained, so it reduced a lot of people now. So I can show you guys.
Are you okay?
So I can show you guys around now. So yeah, enjoy the view. Street of what?
Street of Nisantasi.
Nisantasi. Yeah. Okay. Want to dance? Hey, auntie is cold.
I can't do, but really, Tameeza. Oh my fucking gosh! I need to show the people. Your body is like really amazing. Like, look at that hips, that waist. Oh my god. I forgot that. Thank you for watching my video. Bye. Bye bye.
So say hi to bye.
Bye. It was really nice to meet you guys.
So
YouTube family.
I will keep in touch.
Sure.
Whatever.